All right, well, let's move into our next topic, and that is the Uber Pro Cash Reward.
Yeah, man, I got this. I thought it was a one and done deal. Remember Uber's little thing? They said it was only one time, right? One time. If you hit it one
Yep.
time, you got your money. Now, with all due respect to Uber, I have so many emails on the second. I didn't get my money. I didn't get my money. They stole my money. I go like, people, chill out. You'll get it in a couple of days. Just relax. And sure
Yep.
enough, and some people got partials. Like if the guy was going to get 450, he got like 300 first, and then 150 showed up a couple of days later. But look, people's perception of Uber is not great. Driver's perception, okay? So they go, oh, they stole my money. I'm like, just chill out. Just wait a couple of days. Maybe there's a glitch. Sure enough, there was a glitch. Everybody that I know of was shortchanged, got paid. Now, on top of that, yeah, everybody is cool now. On top of that, everybody got their money for being diamond or whatever you guys did. Now, this is from my app. I'm pretty sure some of you also have this. It looks like to me, Chris, that they're, expanding the program for another quarter now. So if you are diamond and you stay diamond, this is my program, but some people have it for 450, some people have it for 500, but max I think is 600. So they said, Sergio, if you stay diamond, you get another 600 at the end of this quarter, right? And I'm like, okay, thank you so much. Another 600. Now, one thing I noticed though, for me anyway, I'm in LA. So in your city, this may not have changed. Your qualifications and your restrictions may not have changed. In California or in LA mostly, I do not have an acceptance rate restriction. The only restriction I have is at the end of the quarter where the Uber Pro period ends, I have to have 4% or less cancellation rate. I know a lot of cities, this program is different. They have not only cancellation rate restrictions, but they also have ARM, acceptance rate restrictions, like 70% or whatever it is. Okay. Now, $600, if you look at it in its face value, to be diamond in LA again is 1,800 points for me. So that means I have to do a lot of 3-point trips. So that comes to, oddly enough, if I did 600 3-point trips, that comes to $1 a ride. Is it worth it for me? Personally speaking, no. But for a lot of people, it may be, okay? The only thing that I noticed is that they changed my 3-point hours. This is mine again. Yours may not have changed. Don't panic. It used to be Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., 1 to 7 p.m. It used to be 1 p.m. The only thing that I think changed is the Monday through Thursday p.m. times. It used to be 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now they cut that down to 7 p.m. So when I'm doing food deliveries, which also counts for trips with 3 points, most people eat, let's say, order food 6, 7, 8 o'clock, let's say. Well, their cutoff is 3 points. The other day, I did a whole bunch of trips like after 7 p.m. I go like 3 points. Why did I get 3 points? And I figured that they changed the 3-point hours on me. I don't think the weekend hours changed as far as Friday, Saturday, Sunday for 3 points, but they definitely mess with that. Again, this seems like it's repeating. If it's repeating, go for it, guys. If you want to go for it, go for it. I'm not going to do it, but if you got the money and you enjoy the extra $600, $400, $300, whatever you're going to get, go for it. And it seems like it's a continuous thing. Maybe I think it was a success, right? So they squeezed a whole bunch of more trips by you guys trying to stay diamond. Do whatever pleases you guys. So there you go.
Yeah, I would love to know the stats on that too, where how many more drivers made diamond for that time frame over
Obviously,
normal time frames besides the cash.
Obviously, it's a success, Chris. Obviously, they took a lot of drivers, took a lot of just decline trips. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah. Well, the whole thing too is that I'm looking at when it's on there.
Ooh.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything on those little bylaws or anything that says this is a one-time thing anymore. So
Yeah.
that is one thing that I saw previously, like for the last quarter when they were doing this.
Yeah.
It said that you could only earn one time. So,
One time.
hey, if
Check
they're
your
adding
app.
it to it and adding more,
Yeah.
Kudos to them for that. So
Look, if you made diamond, that means you can do diamond again. Okay. And I don't think you busted your butt to become diamond. Okay. So to me, if you're gonna stay diamond, might as well stay diamond, make another 600 if it's in your app, if they're offering it to you. They may not be offering, like Michelle, she's in Orange County. I think she says, I did not get a second offer, so I got a second offer. So maybe it's for people, I don't know how they choose these things. I have nothing to do with it. Michelle, you better come show up in downtown on the 3rd. You're in Orange County somewhere. So, but yeah. So if it's in your app, go for it. If you want to do it, get the extra cash.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.